In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in PowerPoint, a simple yet incredibly effective way to organize your schedule with a touch of personal flair. Whether you're planning for a business meeting or just want to keep track of your personal tasks, having a custom calendar can make a world of difference. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. No matter if you're using the latest version or an older one, the process should be quite similar. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add your calendar. If you're starting fresh, you can simply open a new presentation. Now shift your attention to the top of your screen and locate the Insert tab. This is where most of the important elements take shape in any presentation, and it's no different for creating a calendar. Click on the Insert tab and you'll see a drop-down menu of various elements you can add to your slides. In the menu, find and click on Table. This is where the magic begins, as your calendar will be table-based. Once you click Table, a grid will pop up. You're going to want to select a 5 by table. This setup perfectly matches the format of a monthly calendar, providing 5 rows for weeks and 7 columns for days of the week. After your table is in place, start by labeling the top row with the days of the week. Go ahead and type in Sunday to Saturday into the very first row of your table. This helps in setting a clear view of your week right at the top, a crucial step for easy reference as you start filling in dates. Now that the framework is set, it's time to fill in the date numbers within the cells of your table. Typically each cell represents a day of the month. You'll want to